do the tail of the dragon. We're gonna go through Asheville. It's gonna be beautiful. So really looking forward to it. My brother's wedding was just beautiful. That's why I was here. This whole part of my trip. This is just a little under halfway point. It was a fun, beautiful wedding. Anyways, let's get on the road and continue our journey. We've got about 1,400 miles left to go in this series of videos. We are in Charlotte, North Carolina, 200 miles down and about 252 to go. Yeah, 252. So Charlotte is kind of like my halfway point. So it's a beautiful downtown. Wow, I like the architecture. It's very impressive. Alright, let's focus on the road. Well, I am stuck in awful traffic. My bike's getting really warm. Cool river. I wish there wasn't this fucking traffic here. This is just awful. Yay, we're making some miles. Thank God. Guys, I don't know what happened, but there was wind. This was like a mini tornado that just went through. It got so freaking windy. Oh no. It looks like a big storm coming. I mean, this is crazy. It was like sunny and I was burning up. And now it's 86 degrees, 85, and it keeps dropping. This is wild. Look at that wind. You see it? Look, there's another mini tornado. Oh, no. No. This is... Oh, God. That is awful. Of course, there's a... Look, there's another one. What is going on here? This looks good right here. Oh, wind's pushing me. Oh no. in the rain, in traffic for the last hour and a half. I spent 3.5 hours in traffic today, and not small traffic. I'm talking 2 to 4 mile an hour traffic, bumper to bumper traffic. It sucks, and there was no accidents. There's just all this dang construction. I am over it. I am so over it today. I was really looking forward to this because I'm in Nashville. I'm riding through these beautiful hills, and I can't enjoy it because it's been so stressful. My clutch hand, I can't feel it anymore. Oh my gosh. And that probably wore through most of my rear brake in that traffic, trying to stay up on 2 wheels. I'm not kidding you. 2 to 4 mile an hour for an hour and a half. My throttle hand's dead. My clutch hand is, I don't know. I can't move it. It's going to be sore tomorrow. And we're finally moving. It was supposed to be an 8-hour ride. I should be here. Yeah, 8-hour ride. I should have already been at my hotel by 5 o'clock. I still have 2 hours to go. This sucks. It hasn't been 5 minutes and I'm back in traffic. Like, I can't do this. I have to pull over. I cannot. I have 2 more hours to go. I've been in traffic for an hour and a half, and now I'm back in it. Like, I gotta pull over, take a break, get some gas. I'm on I-40. This is just stunning. Wow. Welcome to Tennessee. Here we go. Yay. Woohoo. So I'm gonna say we're in Knoxville, Tennessee. I think that's where we are. Honestly, I'm not sure. But yeah, we're almost to our hotel. I stopped and tried to look at the campsite. I couldn't even get to it. It was a really bad gravel road. So, didn't do it. So I'm gonna stay in the hotel. I would love to stay at a campsite. But, you know, hotel it is. So we're here. We made it. But you know, all that traffic, it was terrible, but nonetheless I got to do some beautiful riding. We're making it safe, so there's really not much to complain about. We made through it and we are here. Oh wow, this sucks. There's some big cracks in there. Alright guys, have a good night. See you in the morning. Tail of the Dragon and the Cherry Hollow Skyway up next.